What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice, man, back with another video, baby. Y'all know what go down. Same thing, different day, baby. Listen, man, we got some real good box Chevy content going on today, baby. So listen, man, if you ain't already, man, subscribe to the channel, man. Click that notification bell, man. Like the video, man, so YouTube know that you like my content. That's all it is. It's free, man. And if you got a question, comment, or opinion, leave it in the comment box below. I'm gonna make this intro real short, cause the pressure that we got in this video is no need really for intro or caption, you dig? We got that Sandman box in, we got that jewelry in for that box Chevy. Hey, watch this heat, tune in, it's about to go down. Alright, y'all, I ain't playing, man. I done told y'all everything y'all hear me say I'ma do, or I'ma buy, or I'ma get, or I'ma build, or I'ma entertain y'all with on this channel, man. I'm gonna do it. Sandman just touched down, baby. Yes, sir. We got the Sandman in. I tell y'all what, I give y'all a little clip of when it first came in right now, when I had it in the bed in the house and I was checking them all out. I'll drop that right now. Sandman design done touchdown to my, yes sir. I done told y'all stop playing them games. When I tell you I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. Hit that subscribe button, man. Follow the channel, it's going down. Yes sir. Sandman just touched down, baby. Billet here, billet there, billet everywhere. Custom engraving, looking good. 409 my area code, you dig? We got the SD Fords. And of course, you know we couldn't forget that yard boy. That old 1985 Impala. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. And we got the door knockers coming too, man. They late. I don't know what happened. I guess he must have ran out of them, but I guess they're gonna ship them out later. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all now. Oh yeah, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Show y'all this real quick. Show y'all this real quick. We did get the door knockers. 2 sets of them. Products to be shipped, products shipped. You know what I'm saying? Everything else came in but the door strikers. We got 2 sets of them, so we waiting on them to come in from Sandman. But yeah, we're gonna try to get all this stuff installed and see what it look like. See if we turn it up a little bit on our Ice Spice. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Sandman say all the finest cars wear his jewelry. Let me get that. Custom made 101, yard boy. Yes sir. Watch this eat, baby. Alright y'all. Look. We're gonna go and get some of this stuff put in, man. We're gonna go and try to get some of this stuff put in. Oh, they didn't ship my door knockers, but they should be coming. I don't know when they coming, but I'm pretty sure they'll get them to me. But yeah, man, we're gonna get some of this nice stuff put in before the sun go down. I got a few about an hour or so before it get real dark. So let's see what we can get done, man. Yeah. Double them OG joints. Ain't nothing really wrong with them. They pretty decent condition. I say about 8 out of 10. You know, you can always polish that stuff up and make it look a little better. And we finna order the carpet real soon, so don't even worry about it, baby. We ain't gonna do all this and not have no fresh carpet. Yes, sir. But look, here go my pedals, man. We looking old and raggedy. We ain't looking too bad, but we looking outdated and out the door. So yeah, we got the LEDs hitting on the floorboard, and we're gonna see if we can get them LEDs hitting off that billet a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, watch this heat. I got the drill, and I don't know what I'm gonna do first, but I'm finna get to work and show y'all what a little bit of motivation I'll take you to. Yes sir. Watch this heat. And money, of course. Alright, y'all. I got the door. I got the door jams in there. Oh yeah. Come on now. Come on now. I ain't even wiped them off that little smudgy, but you see the vibes. You see the vibes. Oh yeah. SD. We got it going on now. We might be up to something. This how we coming. 2024. Oh yeah. Ooh, that new gray carpet coming real soon on to my. Ooh wee. It's where we started from. We got the vents in too. I'll show y'all the vents real quick. Subscribe to the channel, man. You don't want to miss this pressure. I done told you. Oh yeah. We got the vents in. We got. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yes sir. We got them vents in. And I already paid for the door knockers. I showed y'all on the previous little clip. I got both sides of these on the front and the back. I don't know what happened, but they said they're gonna be coming later than the rest of the stuff. So yeah, no, we'll be waiting on that. So now what I'm about to do, I'm gonna try to get them pedals put on. It's a little bit more tedious little job to install them pedals than it is these little seals right here. So I went ahead and threw them in first, but yeah, I'm gonna get my drill bit. I gotta drill some holes, but I'm gonna show y'all how it go. Cause really, I done watched some videos of people installing these pedals, and they really don't be just trying to give you a direct description of what's going on. So I'm gonna try to give y'all a little better outlook of how they be installed. You know what I'm talking about over here on the channel. Billet here, billet there, billet everywhere. You know what I'm talking about? Oh yeah. Hey, we starting to make this thing look like something. Y'all watch this eat. Alright gang, now I got the gas put off, and as you can see, if y'all ain't never took the gas put off, it's just one little rod and a spring, right? One little spring. You know what I'm saying? One little spring. Alright, now when you put your gas put on, you gotta slide this side in there, put your spring in there, then slide the rod inside between the spring and the gas pedal, just like this. And then slide this up around the neck of your gas pedal rod. So it's pretty simple. I'll show y'all real quick. Hold on. Alright, boom, we got the gas pedal in, gang. Oh, y'all see the gas pedal? We got the gas pedal in, and it we got it with the spring on it where it snap back, all legit like it's supposed to. So we got the brake pad off, and my camera finna go there, so I'm gonna have to switch over to a different camera. So yeah, we're gonna take this brake pad off. We gotta drill some holes. We gotta drill 4 holes to put that on, and drill 2 holes to put the emergency brake on. So yeah, man, y'all watch this heat. I'm gonna give me a drill bit, get these holes drilled, and we'll bring y'all back. See this, look at this thing. I'm excited, baby. Check me out. Yes sir. This how we coming. Yes sir. Alright gang, we back. Okay, now I drilled my holes for my pedal. Let me educate y'all real quick. See, what you gotta do is, what I did was I took a piece of tape, you know what I'm saying, a couple pieces of tape, and I cut it on the inside of my pedal like that, right? So that make my template, right? So when I took my template out, first thing I did was on the sticky side, I stuck it there, and I drilled the first 2 holes, which is backwards. So you going down face first, you want to turn it around the opposite way to get your bow holes on the inside. So I had to do it 2 times. So the best way you want to do it to make your template, to cut these holes out and get them as accurate as you can, just get you a piece of tape, draw you a template out, and then you know, oh right. Gotta be lined up just right now. I ain't gonna lie, I just test fitted this thing a while ago. And it went in there. Let me put the camera down, use 2 hands. Cause I just had this thing in there a while ago, y'all. And now I don't wanna go back in there. Hold on, watch this heat, gang. All right, gang. Quick little overview. I got them joints in there. Yeah, man, it's getting dark on me, man. So I'm gonna probably wait till in the morning and give y'all a better look at this thing, cause the sun that went down, it's getting dark. So I'll probably catch up in the morning and tune y'all back in. These are all the old junks we got off of there. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. And we can't forget our Billet mirror. We gotta put our Billet mirror back up tomorrow too. Yeah. We can't forget that Billet. We can't forget that Billet mirror, you dig? We got to have that. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, y'all. I'll bring y'all back in the morning, give y'all a good shiny, bright daylight time footage of these products, man. It's jewelry, man. Sandman, baby. Yes, sir. Got the vents in. Oh yeah. And of course, I'm gonna take all this, all my Billet stuff out when I get ready to spray the car. But yeah, y'all wait till the morning. I'll bring y'all back real quick. Watch the heat. All right, y'all. It's the next day. It's about 4:30 in the evening. I want to go and give y'all a look at them things, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Them things looking good. It's a bunch of Billets going on around here, boy. I ain't lying. It's a bunch of Billet going on around here, man. Bunch of big boy going on up in here too now. Bunch of detail after detail after detail out going on up in here. Nothing to my. Yes, sir. Y'all know we got the big panorama. The big boy panorama. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We got the Life of J Spice on there. Okay. Subscribe to the channel. The branding is real. We from the 409 down here in the country, you know what I'm saying? Big Texas. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Got that stupid knock, stupid bang, big bang. Not no little boy stuff. Not no little boy stuff. Not no little boy stuff. Ooh, to the we. Yes, sir. We ain't playing no games. Trunk all broke. Trunk all broke. I done told you, if you ain't seen it before, I'm gonna show you now. Trunk all broke up. But it's all good. We got a lot more coming. It's coming. Literally, as we speaking, as we recording. Y'all stay tuned. It's going down. We got that Billet mirror. We got a lot more coming. We waiting on Tony. We finna change this carpet. We finna do this dash. We're gonna wrap that console. We're gonna wrap that back deck. You know what I'm talking about? Matching steering wheel, sitting on them things. You know what I'm talking about? Like my boy Sugar Man say, sitting on them things, pull up on you at the red light. Yes, sir. And hey man, it's going down. I'm telling you, man, we're gonna do them LED door armrests, man. We're gonna do those too, man. We're gonna fix those. Yes, sir. It's going down, man. Listen, if you ain't already, subscribe to the channel. Ooh, your boy, do-rag, boy, running up on you, boy. Subscribe to the channel, man. If you ain't, before we get out of here, man, y'all see the new merch. Inbox me or leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the new merch, man. If you like the new merch, man, if you want some, inbox me. Man, we're gonna get these going. This is a little trial run to see how they came out, and they came out real good. As you see the fun on it, man, got my name on it. And then watch this heat, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a shot at the back more later than I walked up, so I'm gonna let her give y'all a shot at the back, man. Man, get me in the camera, baby, you know what I'm talking about? Let them see the merch. You know what I'm saying? We looking good. You know what I'm talking about? We got a couple colors, gray, black, you know what I'm saying? If you want some, get at me, you know what I'm saying? Couple dollars, but it's going down for sure. You know what I'm talking about? Don't be trying to get no camera footage in. Yeah, she trying to get extra camera girl footage in, y'all. But listen, y'all, man, y'all hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, man, so you'll never miss a drop, man. We got some heat going on over here, especially with these old schools, man. Like the video if you like the content or anything you done watched today or anything you done seen us install on any of these old schools, man. Just like the video, man, if you actually like the content. It's real, it's true. Hey, man, it's free. You dig? And if you got a question, comment, or opinion, just make sure you leave that in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back. We're going all the way in on old Ice Spice. Yes, sir. Watch this heat.